Hello, and welcome to another healthful guided meditation. These next 2 minutes are for you if you want to live your healthiest life possible. We all have negative words in our heads and in our thoughts that are preventing us from reaching our health goals. Let's take the next minute to capture all of those negative thoughts and erase them from our minds once and for all. Please start by closing your eyes. When a negative word or thought enters your head, I want you to imagine it being captured inside a balloon that's tied to a string. The balloon's going to float high above you as you hold on to the strings of your negative thoughts. These can be anything that comes into your mind, anything from stopping your progress forward. You may be thinking of words like lazy or unmotivated, unfit, fat, ugly. Don't let these words stop you from realizing your true potential. Capture them in balloons and float them above. When you have your balloons ready, pull on the strings and bring them down to eye level. Now raise your hand, and in it is a sharp tack. Let's pop the balloons one by one. Ready? Now. Pop, 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 pop. Make those negative thoughts fly out into the universe and away from your brain. You can be the healthiest version of yourself, and it starts today with positive thoughts and positive energy. Thank you for joining me today, and good luck on your health journey.